Welcome to EndNote 2025. In this short video, you'll get a fast start guide to essential tasks, creating a library, importing references, exporting from external databases like PubMed, creating a custom group, managing PDFs, and citing in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. To create a library, go to the File menu and choose New. Select a location on your PC, such as your Documents folder, and assign a name to your library. Be sure not to save your active library in a Cloud Sync folder, such as OneDrive, Dropbox, or a networked location, as this can cause file corruption. Press the Save button in the bottom right corner of the window to complete this process. Let's add some research materials with online search. Select a connection file at the bottom of the Groups panel, such as Crossref. Enter your search terms and press the Search button. Review your search results and highlight the ones you want to keep in your library. Press the plus icon to add them to your library. Click on your All References group to confirm these items successfully copied. To use direct export from the pubmed.gov website, perform your search of the database while in a web browser. Click Send to button and select Citation Manager. Specify the search results to export. Press Create File and download the .nbib file. Then, locate the newly saved temporary file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to import the exported references into your active EndNote library. To organize your research, click Create Group from the Groups menu. Give your new custom group an appropriate name. Then drag and drop references into this new group. Select one or more references and click Find Full Text. Click the Find Full Text shortcut on your library toolbar to find and attach full-text PDFs. If available, EndNote will automatically attach PDFs. Look for the paperclip icon to confirm that the operation was successful. In Microsoft Word for Windows, place your cursor where you want the citation to appear. From the EndNote 2025 tab along the ribbon at the top of your document, click the Insert Citation shortcut. Use this window to perform a search of any open EndNote libraries for matching references. Highlight a search result and press Insert when you're ready. Your in-text citation and bibliography will update automatically. Click the Style drop-down menu on the EndNote 2025 tab in Word at any time to change your output style. Choose from your favorites, or press Select another style to match your formatting requirements. In this example, we'll select APA 7th. To add cited page information to an in-text citation, highlight a citation in Word and click Edit and Manage Citations button on the EndNote 2025 tab. Enter the cited page details, then click OK. EndNote will update the citation accordingly. You're now ready to start working smarter with EndNote 2025. For more tips and training, please visit the EndNote LibGuide.